Welcome back to our channel, Empowering Innovation at IrisLogic. In this video, we'll dive into how IrisLogic leverage the power of big data and engineering to drive innovation and deliver transformative solutions. So, let's get started. The power of big data. In today's data-driven world, the ability to extract valuable insights from vast amounts of data is paramount. At IrisLogic, we understand the power of big data. Our team harnesses this power to unlock actionable information and drive informed decision-making. Engineering excellence. Engineering excellence is at the core of IrisLogic's success. Our highly skilled engineers possess a deep understanding of the latest technologies and engineering principles. This expertise allows us to deliver innovative solutions for even the most complex challenges. Big data engineering services. IrisLogic specializes in providing comprehensive big data engineering services. Our team of experts combines their knowledge of engineering principles with advanced data analytics techniques. This synergy enables us to turn raw data into meaningful insights. Data processing and integration. We excel in data processing and integration, ensuring seamless data flows across your organization. Our engineers leverage cutting-edge tools and technologies to extract, transform, and load data from various sources. This creates a unified data ecosystem that fuels your decision-making process. Learn more about big data and engineering on our website at irislogic.com. Thank you.